Hello, this is Limbo Union, and today we will discuss the rules of poker. The main goal in poker is to form a 5-card combination, and the strength of this combination determines your chances of winning at the poker table. You can have anywhere from 2 to 10 participants in the game. At the beginning of a hand, each player is dealt 2 whole cards, and all willing poker enthusiasts engage in the bidding process. Before the flop is revealed, you'll have 2 players posting the so-called blinds, the big blind and the small blind. Once the flop is displayed, the first 3 community cards that the dealer places on the table, 2 of the players must make the blinds. After the flop, you can evaluate your chances of winning the hand. If you don't want to continue, you can simply fold your cards and wait for the next hand. Players who already have strong hands or are anticipating strong hands in the future continue with the bidding. The dealer then reveals the 4th card, the turn, and the 5th card, the river, one after the other. After the bidding rounds are concluded, the showdown occurs. Players reveal their cards to each other and compare the strength of their combinations. The player with the stronger hand wins the pot. Now, let's delve deeper into the types of poker hands. There are a total of 10 hand combinations. The weakest is the high card. If you don't have any matching cards, only the highest ranking card in your hand counts. The second combination is a pair. 2 cards of the same rank constitute a pair. Moving up, we have 2 pair, which consists of 2 cards of one rank and 2 cards of another rank. 3 of a kind involves 3 cards of the same rank. A 4 of a kind contains 4 cards of the same rank. The straight comprises 5 cards of consecutive rank in any suit. A flush consists of 5 cards of the same suit, regardless of rank. The full house is formed by 3 cards of one rank and 2 cards of another rank. A straight flush contains 5 cards of consecutive rank, all in the same suit. The royal flush is the highest hand, consisting of the 5 highest ranking cards in sequential order, all in the same suit. If you want to learn more, visit the Limbo Union to study poker and receive free tickets for real money poker games. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the links and further steps can be found in the description.